You absolutely must know this. Factory security risks are everywhere, and they could put your assets and production lines in danger at any moment. Have you ever wondered how to achieve the highest level of surveillance at the lowest cost? Today, we're unveiling a game-changing solution, the ACTi Z415/Z416 AI-powered zoom bullet cameras. Stay with us to discover how they can enhance security, boost efficiency, and optimize factory operations. 2MP 10x and 5MP 12x optical zoom bullet camera. Imagine having eagle-eye surveillance in your factory. With ACTi Z415/Z416, you can zoom in on crucial details from up to 100 meters away. Whether monitoring factory gates, production lines, or storage areas, this powerful zoom capability ensures no blind spots. The Z415 supports 2MP at 60 frames per second, making it ideal for capturing low-speed moving objects such as material transport vehicles. This means clearer footage, better tracking, and enhanced security for your factory operations. 100 IR night vision and 0.002 lux color mode. Dark areas in the factory often create security blind spots, but not anymore. With 100 IR night vision and 0.002 lux ultra-low light color mode, ACTi Z415/Z416 ensures crystal clear visibility even in complete darkness. Additionally, with extreme WDR up to 145 dB, bright and dark areas are automatically adjusted to maintain optimal clarity. Whether it's securing the factory perimeter, storage zones, or dimly lit corridors, you'll never miss a thing. Advanced AI with event detection and metadata. Tired of false alarms caused by moving leaves, birds, or flickering lights? The ACTi Z415/Z416's built-in AI eliminates false alerts by accurately identifying humans, motor vehicles, and non-motor vehicles. It also features people counting, crowd density detection, and sound detection, allowing security managers to effectively monitor restricted zones and improve workforce safety. With smart AI filtering, only real security threats trigger alerts, making incident response faster and more efficient. Rugged design for harsh industrial environments. Factories are tough places, and your security cameras need to be even tougher. The ACTi Z415/Z416 supports IP67 and IK10 protection, making it weatherproof, dustproof, and impact-resistant. Plus, with a built-in heater, it operates flawlessly in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. Whether you install it outdoors, near industrial furnaces, or in high-dust environments, this camera never stops working. If you're looking for high-performance AI surveillance with superior zoom and night vision, the ACTi Z415/Z416 is your best choice. Click the link below to explore more details and upgrade your factory's security system today. Don't wait, secure your factory smarter, faster, and more efficiently with ACTi.